Good morning everybody, Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my art channel. I have been asked to create a commission for someone I've known for half my life, which is really nice. He's renovating a house and he wants to put a beautiful artwork in his dining room. So today I'm going to be experimenting with colours. So my friend has sent me some samples of the colours that he has in his house, and some of the things that he's chosen have got a bit of a Moroccan theme to them, and there's a turquoise blue colour that seems to be playing a role throughout his home, and a nice grey as well. So I'm going to do an experiment on a small canvas today using a turquoise blue, and my friend has asked me to, he wants to have a dark base to the painting, so I'm going to do a Prussian blue base today. So let's see how we go with these colours for trial number one before I get into the big canvas. Thank you for watching. I have poured a puddle of Prussian blue into the center of my canvas, and I've painted the sides because Prussian blue is a transparent color. And now we can spread out the paint. Okay, now as I mentioned in my intro, this is a trial piece for a large canvas work that I've been commissioned to do. So I'm just trialing the colours and see how the colours go. I'm going to do a wave, kind of, just a wave, and leave this as negative space. So that was permanent red violet. This is titanium white to brighten everything up. And we've got gold yellow, turquoise blue, iridescent blue black, this is Pebeo green blue, dark gold, deep gold. I'll flood my canvas here with some more Prussian blue. I'm going to start by blowing the paint over. Whoa, there's some gorgeous colors. I'll just blow this little bit over. Yep, I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, the final result. Cells galore down there. There's some really beautiful parts. I particularly love the, let's see if we can get the shimmer. Yeah, the shimmer in there. There's a beautiful sparkly shimmer over there. And up the top here is lots of cells up here as well. And there's a real little rainbow in this bit, which I really like, and some gold there. Looks like a little canyon or something there. So I think that there, that shimmer there is probably my favorite part. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please share your comments in the below. And I would really appreciate a like and a follow to help grow my channel. After the painting dried, I realised I lost my red-purple colour, and so I decided to do some little features of it, seeing it's a transparent colour, and bring it back into the artwork again. The result is really pleasing, so after I've finished doing these touch-ups, I'll give you a little demo of how it turned out. So here is the dried result with the little touches of red purple in there as well. So you can see all the beautiful iridescent glow throughout the painting, and a lovely, lovely end result here, which I'm very, very happy with. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time for either another practice run or for the big painting that I'm going to be doing. So see you soon. Bye for now.